Hi, welcome to my garden. I am so behind, but it is about 8 degrees today. It is December 10th, so still 2 weeks to go until Christmas. But usually I'm so far ahead. I usually have all my urns done. I have my Christmas decor up, and I am barely making it, guys. I am barely making it. But that's okay. My daughter is moving the house that's at the front of our building, or front of our property, she's moving into. She's being very patient, Abigail, and I'm amazed at how patient she's being. She's sleeping in our spare room, she and her husband and the dog. Now I have a dog I never thought I'd ever have a dog in my house, but now I have a dog. And but let me show you around. I've done a few really fun things. I think today was an impromptu, like, it's 8 degrees, let's get out there and get this last piece finished. So I'm going to show you this really kind of, I think, fun. I'm pretty sure someone has done it in the world, but I did it today and it's the first time I've ever done it. So I'm going to let you come and I'm going to show it to you. Let me take you to the garden. I have a new fence. This is going to be so great to keep grandchildren in, and actually right now to keep a grand dog in. The garden is not at all totally cleaned up, even though Doug got at least 10 bags out of it last week, but that's okay. I can leave the rest. I can breathe at this point. It is still so nice. I think that's what's happening, is that all the leaves are just not falling because it has been the most amazing fall. But look at the color of that Japanese grass. Isn't that great? So here's the project that I worked on. Let me show you. Okay, what do you think? This is an urn built out of pure exhaustion. I did not get to taking that fern out in time. It's kind of frozen in there, and then it died. And I thought, hey, why don't I just use some gold paint on it? I think it worked out pretty well. What do you think? Man, oh man, this is, I think, pretty fun. I think I might put a light on it at night. There's a few tweaks that I'm gonna do, but this is the freest urn, except for I did buy the greens. All the stars I had in my bins, the little berries and that gold thing I had, and all of the magnolia leaves I had saved from last year's decor, and it browned up quite nicely, and I'm using it now. So let me show you some of the other urns around the property. I am just so late this year. I'm feeling very bad. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. And I'm realizing that it is okay if I do nothing more. So the red twigs are from my garden. Lots of the green is from my garden because I trimmed a tree, and I just simply put everything, I trimmed it in like October, and I put everything in a bucket of water and I put it in. This is the, I can't even think right now what that is, the donkey tail, and that is the donkey tail that seeded all around the bottom of my stairs. I don't think I could have planned that better. I don't think I could. And then again, the only things I bought were some of the longer greens, all of the magnolia from last year, and the twigs are from my garden. So I think I've got it together. I'm having a small dinner tonight, and that is why I'm wanting to get it all done. I'm really dumb though, because you know, they don't care. And it's going to be dark by the time they get there, by the time they get here. So anyway, it's all for me, but it makes me feel better knowing that it's done. I'll probably tweak this a little bit, but I did think that it was very clever. What do you think? Painting ferns for Christmas. Actually, I think I'm a little bit brilliant. And here is Vicky. This is Vicky. This is my daughter's dog. They are moving into the front house, and she has come to visit me. And this is a little arrangement I put out yesterday. When I take out all my stuff and I see what I have, it's always like, I wonder what I can use and where I can use it and how different I can use it. I never do the same thing twice in a year. So the studio is getting cleaned up as well. I thought I was finished my very last painting, and then I realized I have a couple more to do. That's okay. That's okay. What I had wanted to do was to play with abstracts in the next couple of weeks, and I think I'll still be able to do that. But here is a little update on where the painting, this one painting that I've been working on, there's a video coming out about it. Here's a little update, but then I've got to go with the oils and do a little bit more. The rest of the garden is still pretty green. I just love the color in the fall. I mean, it's not quite winter yet, but I just love the color of the garden, and we're doing okay. And my grandkids love the sand pit that we put in for them. It's a little bit like sinking sand right now. And I still haven't pulled out some of the annuals. I just haven't got to it. And you know what? I kind of wish, now, don't hate me, but I kind of wish it would just snow and cover up everything that I still need to do. But what we did out here was we mulched all the leaves. We raked them all up, and then we mowed them, and I mulched this new bed that got put in the fall. We still have to do some leaf mulch. I am gonna have to get somebody to come and help me so that this is not all matted. Oh, Vicky, you have to stay. But the gardens are doing okay. We mulched with all leaf matter, and so that will just over the winter degrade and become part of the soil, because it's very sandy out here and needs some amendment. Hey, you, we gotta come in. Yeah. How are ya? How are you, Vicky? Yeah. Come on, girl. Oh. I'll walk back through the garden. Make sure that door is closed. And look at the beauty of the fall colors. The ochres, the yellows. I'm just loving it. Thanks for coming along for that little impromptu garden tour. How is your fall going with your fall cleanup? Are you ahead? Are you done? Do you leave more leaves in than I do? Do you take leaves out? We've got a maple that has it's got a spot on all the leaves, and it's a fungicide, or it's a fungal thing. So we had to rake those up and get rid of them. And here I'm going to put a pot by the gate because we don't have a latch yet, and that way Vicky can't leave. But I'm gonna leave now. I hope you enjoyed this really crazy video. I don't even know when I edit this, we'll see if I got anything coherent, but I think the gold fern is fun. Leave a comment below. Tell me if you think that was ingenious of me or not. Have a great day. We'll do something else soon. Bye.